finished classes for the day, so I'm going to do a bit of a trade update on the oil long that I entered last night. I'm always like not sure if I should enter positions again after I exit them, after I look for like a trendline bounce on the break and the retest, because sometimes I do enter and I do end up missing a bigger move, and then other times I don't and I end up I do enter and it ends up going down, and unfortunately that's what happened last night. I'll show you the chart for oil here. So I entered on a re-entry here and I was targeting up here, and the fund that I was targeting here, and it ended up just smacking down, and I got out here for a $450 loss in the personal, and I'll show you the funded here. So we ended up taking a $600 loss in the funded. I did exit early because I saw it was going down. So we're up $213 in the account, and we're about $1,500 away from the loss limit. There is a lot of selling off today in the markets, which is good because it gives opportunities for another bounce on the trend lines, but a little bit of an unfortunate trade on oil. However, if I was still in this trade, we would be I'd be down way more than I originally planned. Instead of being down 460, I'd be down about 700. So I'm happy that I did exit when I did, and I'll look for re-entries. We might have gotten a bounce on the lower trend line, so I'm waiting for it to go down again and bounce directly on the trend line because it bounced just right above it. But there was some data coming out today, so a little bit unfortunate on that, but I'm coming off a 12-win trade streak, so a loss was bound to happen, and regardless of this loss happening today, I think it was 460 before commissions, so maybe like 469 after. I'm still up about 110 on the week and still up on the month by a lot, which is going to be my biggest month ever. But honestly, yeah, no complaints anyways, just going to be looking for next entries, and a bit unfortunate how it all played out, but it's how it goes sometimes and can't be right all the time. And so the biggest thing is that the losses are bigger than the wins, and that's what's happening recently. I've had a lot of consistent wins that have been decent amounts, whether it's $700, $500, $400, and the losses are around 500. So I am looking for that 1-to-1 or more win. But like I said, gold, silver, platinum are selling off. So I'll look for a bounce to possibly enter on this. But ideally I'm looking for a 3 touch point break because those are the trades that I preferably like to take. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated, but that is the update on the day. See you later. Bye.